వచ్చే ఏడాది రక్షణ రంగం నుంచి పెద్ద ఎత్తున కొత్త ప్రాజెక్టులు దక్కించుకోనున్నట్లు హిందుస్థాన్ షిప్ యార్డ్ సీఎండీ కమోడోర్ హేమంత్ ఖత్రీ వెల్లడించారు. తూర్పు తీరంలో విశాఖ ఉత్తమ నౌకా నిర్మాణ కేంద్రంగా ఉందని చెప్పారు. షిప్ యార్డ్ సీఎండీగా కొన్ని వారాల కిందటే బాధ్యతలు చేపట్టిన ఆయన మెరుగైన లక్ష్యాలు నిర్దేశించుకున్నట్లు వెల్లడించారు. ఇటీవల షిప్ యార్డులో జరిగిన క్రేన్ ప్రమాదంపై అంతర్గత విచారణ జరుపుతున్నామంటున్న హేమంత్ ఖత్రీతో ముఖాముఖి.
హిందుస్థాన్ షిప్ యార్డ్ దాదాపు 8 దశాబ్దాల దాదాపు ఒక దశాబ్ద కాలం క్రితం నుంచి ఇది రక్షణ రంగ యూనిట్గా మారిన తర్వాత ఇది పురోగతి సాధిస్తున్న తీరు వరుసగా దాని సారథులు అలాగే మారుతూ వస్తున్నారు. ప్రస్తుతం కొత్తగా ఈ సంస్థకి సారథిగా హేమంత్ ఖత్రీ గారు పదవి బాధ్యతలు స్వీకరించారు. ఈ విజన్స్ ఏంటి, ఈ హెచ్ఎస్ఎల్ ద్వారా ఈ సమాజానికి అలాగే రక్షణ రంగానికి ప్రధానంగా అందించే సేవలు ఏంటి, అలాగే కొత్త ప్రాజెక్టులు ఏంటి, ఈ అన్ని విషయాలు ఖత్రీ గారిని అడిగి తెలుసుకుందాం. నమస్తే జీ, హౌ ఈజ్ యువర్ న్యూ జాబ్?
My new job, I just look it as an opportunity of serving to the shipyard and service to the people of this place. I look this new job as probably my last Karam Bhumi, because after this I am only going to superannuate. And I look at this as an opportunity to give everything back to this motherland, to this nation, to this Andhra Pradesh where I have served for 20 years in my previous career as Navy, and try and see that this shipyard grows from strength to strength.
What is the present position of Hindustan Shipyard Limited?
Present position, you see in terms of infrastructure, of course we have a great infrastructure on East Coast, probably the best, and we are going to augment it for the new project which we should be getting and signing a contract next year. Should be more than almost 14,000 plus crores, and we have right now many projects going on. For all of them we have put stiff timelines for ourselves. Right now my order book is 2,495 crores. But if you look at in terms of the performance, we have performed better than any other shipyard.
Sindhu Ghosh submarine refitting, that orders, how they are in the way or you are completing?
There is matter is with the government. We have put up our point of view. The stakeholder Navy has also put up their point of view. There are advantages of going abroad as well as there are advantages of doing it in India. Government is taking a view on this. So I am very optimistic that government will take the most appropriate decision and we will abide by this.
You are planning to deliver in the next month itself the long pending project. What is it actually it is on?
We had certain projects which are slightly delayed. One was that we were earlier busy in some old projects. We had some legacy project. Second is that COVID affected. So there has been a delay in certain projects. But I would say that despite challenges in my shipyard, the team, the workmen and the staff, the union representatives are quite mature and very, very cooperative. And because of that, they are with me in working in all 3 shifts, giving their best. We have 4 tugs which were planned to be floated out and got delayed, and they were planned to be floated in October and then December. We have reviewed and now we have decided that all 4 tugs will be floated out together, and that too before this Dussehra.
In the history of HSL, one major accident was occurred. What is the inquiry going on and what are the actions taken on that?
There was an expert committee appointed by the state government. They have submitted their report to the collector and to the state government. We have a copy of that report. Findings of the report indicate that it was because of the structural failure of the crane supplied by Anupam. We are going to blacklist this firm. Now we have a departmental inquiry committee which is going on. That report I am expecting to get by first week of October. I have also thought of erecting a monument to pay our homage to those 10 departed souls, to those people who laid their lives in doing an honest service in their profession, but unfortunately they lost their life.
So what is your target for this year, this financial year, and how far it will be fulfilled by the end?
The production has to be ramped up so that we are able to meet the targets, and as I said, the aim is to generate wealth in the nation, as well as meet the timelines. But it is not purely production, the supply chain got affected, and therefore it will have certain effect on the value of production. It might also affect our profits in this year. Right now we want to put our focus only on making good the losses or the lost opportunity and see that we are able to come as close to our targets as if COVID never existed.
ధన్యవాదాలు సార్.
Thank you.
ఇది ఖత్రి గారి మనోగతం. కెమెరామెన్ సి శ్రీనివాస్తో కూర్మరాజు, ఈటీవీ న్యూస్, విశాఖపట్నం.